Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a page layout, edit containers, how to edit the mobile view of your site, and add and move and delete widgets. So when you create a page, it automatically generates a mobile view of the page for you, so you don't have a separate mobile site. But when you add widgets, you might want to change the order on the mobile site. So we'll go through that in a sec. But first it's important to know that the mobile site is just one column. It's always just one column. You can't have widgets beside each other, and the widgets just stack on top of each other. Whereas the desktop site, you can have containers with, say, a right sidebar or a full width. So let's get into that, and I'll show you how that works. So I'm going to go to the website admin. I'm going to click on Pages, and then I'm going to click on the page that I want to edit. So once you're editing a page, this is the desktop view. And you'll notice I've already added some widgets here, and this is the same page as here. So here we have the news slider and then a leaders widget, and see the news slider and then a leaders widget, so it's the same representation of the website. So let's go ahead and add a new widget. So in the main column here, I'm going to click on Add Widget, and I'm going to click on Photos. Now, when you add a new widget, it automatically goes to the bottom of the container you just added it to. So or the column in the container. So the main column here, and I scroll to the bottom, there's the Photos widget. Now if you want to change the title of a widget, you can click on Title and change it here, or you can simply just click in the title and just change it. So I'll just call that Game Photos. So let's go ahead and save the page and go back to our website here and see where that widget went. So it was the bottom of the right sidebar container, the main column, the left columm here. We'll scroll down in here, and then here's the Game Photos. Now, like I mentioned, on the mobile view, whenever you add a new widget, it automatically goes, regardless of what container you put it in or which column in which container, it automatically goes to the very bottom of the mobile view. So here it is here at the very bottom, right above the footer, sorry. So let's see if you want to adjust the mobile view, then simply let's start with that. So we'll come back here to our website admin, and I'm going to click on mobile, and here are our widgets here. So all of the widgets that were on the desktop page are here, but in one column. And as you add widgets to the desktop page, then they'll automatically be put in, the newest widget will be put at the very bottom. So if you want to adjust that, you can simply just click on these 6 gray drag dots and move that up. And if you want to hide a widget just on mobile, you can click on this 3 blue dotty menu here, and you can just say hide, and that will hide the widget just on mobile. So let's look at the desktop view now. If we want to move that widget on desktop, then you can click on these 6 gray drag dots here, and you can simply just drag it to where you like with the blue bar. Now you might find this difficult to move it maybe somewhere off screen, which you can simply just drag it to the top, and your browser will start scrolling automatically, or drag it to the bottom. But there's also another way you can do it. So there is a desktop icon right here. You can click on that, and this shows the various containers you have on your page. In this case, we have a right sidebar container and a full width container. Now let's add a new container. So if we have, I'll choose a 3 column container, and you can click above or below here, and we'll go ahead and add that container. And we'll add one from the bottom too, and you can see that if you click it from the top, it puts it on the top. If you click it from the bottom, it puts it on the bottom. Now I'll remove one of the containers to show you how to do it. So you can click on this blue X here, and you can say, do you want to remove it? And you can say OK. And if you have any widgets inside of it, it'll remove them as well. And if you want to move the containers around, you can do that by clicking on these 6 gray drag dots, and you can move it. Now you can also move widgets on this screen as well. So we had our Game Photos, and we want to move that. We can just simply click and drag and move it like that. So go ahead and click Done. And now we've added a 3 column container right between the 2 containers we had, and we moved the Game Photos widget in there. Now if you want to, there's a few things you can do for widgets. So if you want to clone a widget and make an exact copy, you can just click Clone after clicking on the dotty menu here. If you want to hide a widget so it doesn't show up, but maybe you want to enable it later to show later, you can just say Hidden or Hide, and it will hide it. And you can also remove a widget. So you can click Remove, and that will take a widget away and remove it. So that's how you edit your page layouts. Thanks for watching.